In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this math question easily and fast. Alright, so let's get the question together and solve it. The question says this is systems of equation. Basically, it says the solution to the given system of equations is when we back x and y, what's the value of y? Alright, so guys, for this particular question, in one of my videos I've recorded already on systems of equation, the first video on systems of equation, I talked about the fact that this TI-84 plus CV edition calculator does not have the feature to be able to solve systems of equation in a straightforward way. Alright, but if you are using the TI-84 plus CE edition of the calculator, is able to solve the systems of equation straightforward. So I have a video on it already. Check this my channel, you see my video, my specific video on how to solve systems of equation using that new edition of the TI-84 plus calculator, and you'll be good to go. So for this video, you're going to practice with the manual method, alright, and which is very easy. I'm going to show you. We do it together and you see it. So this is systems of equation. Alright, so let's call this equation 1. Call this is, let me write this way. Okay, so let's call this equation 1, call this equation 2. Okay, so guys, for this particular system of equation, in the first version of this kind of equation we solve, we use the elimination method, which work perfectly. So for this one, elimination method we know that work easily, so we're going to use substitution method to solve it. You want to solve systems of equation, there are two methods you can use, either substitution method or elimination method, depending on the one that will work easier for you. So for this one, substitution will work easier, so we'll experiment with it. So what we're going to do now, we're asked to find the value of y. So to get the value of y, let's get the value of x first. So to get the value of x, we make x the square formula in equation 1. So this equation 1, right? 3x equals 12. Divide both sides by 3. Remember, we want to get the value of y, so to get it, we want to make x the formula in equation 1 to be able to get the value of y. Okay, in substitution, so divide both sides by 3. So our x equals 4. Now let's substitute the value of x in this equation 2 we have. So this will give us minus 3 in bracket 4 plus y equals negative 6. So then we have minus 12 plus y equals negative 6. So we want to make y solid formula. This negative 12 crosses over the equality sign, change to plus. We're going to have minus 6 plus 12, which gives us 6. So the value of y is 6, option B. So when x is 4, y is 6, let's experiment. Okay, so when x is 4, when you plug in 4 here, we're going to have 3 times 4, 12. That's valid. Now when you plug in 4 here and plug in the value of y here, so this will give you minus 3 times 4, that's minus 12. Then minus 12 plus 6, again they have negative 6, so this is valid. Okay, so the right answer to this question for y is B, 6. Okay, so that I can do with systems of equation problem like this using substitution method. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Let me know if you for what I learned from the video. If you don't have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also, you share parts of the channel membership by clicking the join button so to get important information how to solve other math problems you're dealing with. Okay, having done this, click on the end screen button. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.